What is going on in here? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, first off, if you didn't see last video, you guys should. I highly recommend it. It's me prepping my S2000 to get it painted, and today you're gonna watch me actually paint it. A lot of people think, probably that when I say my S2000 is getting painted, they're gonna be like, oh, where are you taking it? Who's painting it? Blah blah blah, this and that. I'm actually painting it. I did all the work pretty much 100% by myself. I had a couple homies help me out, and I appreciate their help 100%. And I appreciate you guys 100% for watching this. But so yeah, it's gonna be a quick little vlog, quick little video. Mainly, I just want you guys, to see what I do for a living for the most part. But we're doing it on my own car, and yeah, just follow through the steps. I'm gonna do a little quick overview of what I've done, how I did it, and yeah, you guys are pretty much gonna watch it from this step to primer, sealer, to base coat, to clear coat, and yeah. So hope you guys stay around to watch, and let's get it done. Not too sure if you guys can hear me very well, but if you guys were watching, I sprayed some weird stuff down below. It's a textured spray. So like factory S2000s have a texture on the rocker, down below for chips and whatever to protect the damage. But I had a dent there, so I had to put some body filler there, unfortunately. And what that made me do is I had to blend out the texture and make it pretty much all brand new. But this is pretty much what it looks like. It's not as aggressive or as chunky as factory S2000s, but it'll do. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'm going to put the GoPro on and then we're going to get to spraying. Hopefully you guys can hear me a little better on this, but I got my second coat of sealer down. It's looking pretty good. There's a couple weird little reactions, but I think I'll go ahead and live with it. But yeah, so I got my second coat of sealer on. My GoPro is kind of like there's on a low battery. I want to get at least one. Clip of every coat. So I hope it doesn't die, but if you guys are missing a couple things here and there, I apologize, but I want to get all the coats I can on there. All the clips I can without it dying, and I want to follow all the way through. So I'm going to switch it up between my GoPro and my phone, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and here, let's take a look. Dudes, time has finally come. Alright guys, well we're on a second coat of base coat. Just by looking at some spots, we're probably gonna have to do a third coat, unfortunately. Because I didn't get everything covered 100% as I want to, but I'm gonna let it dry and turn the light off, take a look at what I'm working with. Stay tuned, fellas. If you guys are wondering why I am turning the light off and then checking with a flashlight, it's because it actually shows what's not covered. I don't know if you guys can tell from the video, but if you look hard enough, there's actually some spots that actually have missed coverage. So I'm gonna go back over. I'm gonna do a third coat, but it's gonna be an effect coat, so I'm gonna have to do it very slowly. And fuck, there's some more right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to go around and do my best to get all of this covered in this last coat, because I definitely don't want to put a full wet coat on. Alright guys, third and final coat is on. Just looking pretty even. Comment down below what you guys think. Should I have gone a crazy different color, or keeping it in the silver family? What do you guys think? Comment down below. But stay tuned. Getting clear coat on, and it's gonna be the last one, last coat of anything. And let's hope everything goes smooth. Stay tuned. Holy shit, guys, it's done. I've never sprayed this clear before, so it was really weird spraying. Probably why you saw me change techniques a little bit. But I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek that might be a little sneak peek. Sneak peek to maybe a sneak peek. Yeah, check it out. Oh, that gloss looks so good, doesn't it? That super nice gloss, yeah. Got a fucking dot there, what the fuck? I had another fucking piece of shit drop right there, so fuck. But it's all looking pretty fresh. I'm liking the color. It looks really close to what it was, which is, you know, I might not be the happiest about, but it has a fresh paint on it. It's gonna look great. Might be a similar color, but that's alright, you know. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. But thanks again, guys, for watching. See you guys next time. Whoa! Lots of S2000 parts. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know my videos have been a little like back and forth with all the stuff, you know, that I'm doing with the S2000, but pretty much I've been hustling, trying to get all this stuff done, and I have a deadline. It's May 25th, because I'm going out to Sonoma Raceway. If you guys will be out there, you know, I'll come say what's up. I'll be in a garage with a few other cars. You guys will see that on my story, so go to my Instagram, follow it, you know, stay in the loop. But because I have a deadline, I am hustling and getting all this shit done. So as you guys remember from the last video, I prepped my S2000 and I actually painted it already, but I didn't want to put the video up because I kind of wanted it, you know, I kind of want to do a reveal, and I kind of want for it to kind of be a surprise. And so yeah, today I'm spray painting, or I'm painting all of this shit, and it's going to be the last of the S2000 parts for now. Then I got to start putting it back together, and I got to get brakes on, I got to get coilovers on, I got to get my tires on. So many fucking things going on, but we're going to get it all done, and we're going to beat this deadline. Got the first coat of sealer down. We'll go ahead and do a second coat on the front bumper just because there's some imperfections that I don't like. I had to fill a couple things. But unfortunately I forget a lot of stuff in my life. And I forgot my GoPro SD card. It's still stuck in my computer from last night, of course. So part of me is really mad, but I'm not going to drive down it's about a 30-minute drive to my house from here. I'm not going to make that drive because I just want to get this stuff done. But alright guys, got the first coat of paint on. Everything's looking pretty good. First coat of paint is on. We got one more cover coat, and we got an effect coat all the way across. Hopefully everything covers. Hopefully we have no problems. Man, I love painting cars, dude. It's fun. Alright guys, third and final coat is on. It's time to clear. This car is giving me quite the headache. And I'm hungry. But we're pretty much there. Just gonna clear it up and yeah, I don't really have much to say, but if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below.